Welcome to Hyper Ride, your ultimate destination for high-speed motorcycles and adrenaline-packed rides. Before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our thrilling content. Today, we're diving into the Suzuki GSX-R1000, starting with its aggressive front view, its sharp headlights, aerodynamic fairings, and race-inspired design instantly showcase its speed and precision on the track. Moving inside, the cockpit and digital dashboard are built for performance, featuring a full-color TFT display, ergonomic handlebars, and advanced control systems that put the rider in complete command. In terms of performance, the GSX-R1000 delivers a top speed of around 299 km per hour, combining lightweight agility with raw power for an unparalleled riding experience. From the back view, its sleek tail section, sporty exhaust, and muscular stance highlight its track-ready design, blending style with function. Priced at approximately $17,000, this superbike offers high-performance engineering and thrilling dynamics at an incredible value. With precise handling, explosive acceleration, and race-proven technology, the Suzuki GSX-R1000 isn't just a motorcycle, it's a statement for those who crave speed, control, and excitement. So, if you're ready to experience the ultimate ride, don't forget to subscribe to Hyper Ride for more high-octane motorcycles and epic riding adventures.